Good people YouTube, how are you then? Here we are in a new video. Let's make a tutorial about an error that a lot happens in Parsec to people who don't pass without problems and can connect perfectly to the perfect pass with another computer, but me most of the time. I connect with the patch that any computer with a friend and I play video games or anything and it goes perfect, but there are times when there are people that it is not connected that an error comes out. Concrete, that has already happened to me 5 times. And of those 5 times with the solution, what am I going to tell you? I have solved it. Is this error specifically is mistake east. I don't have a computer now. Show you what has that error. Concrete, but I will teach you 100%. 100 how to do it, that is, it doesn't matter. Have it because it will work for you, and it is this. Fix connection problem. Parsec the mistake. 6023 and 6024, but super connection, or sometimes you get another error. You know those 2 errors will help you solve it. What happens a lot, and let's see the support it puts for this error so you can see that too. There are other alternatives, but I will teach the simplest one. Okay, there are many forms that the same, but I will show you the one that it will work for all of us. What it says here is that there are many alternatives. For example, if you have these, since the router, the firewall problem of the ANAP router, but I see that a lot people, these problems cannot solve them because they are very afraid to change your router or have problems with the firewall, does not have a little afraid of touching things. So a pretty simple solution is to use a VPN P2P. In this case, they recommend 0 tier, but I know some free VPN that are much more simple that yield the truth that the VPN is that I am going to teach you. That will go super well. That simply you press a button and it works. These specifically, me specifically, yes. You see, it will be the same. Connect the other computer, that is the computer that I have, to the side. Well, now I could connect. I don't connect to my friend's computer. In this case, it is another computer that I have. I don't plan, as you can see, and here I can play. And if you can see, then I might as well. So use him. Could configure the command theme and these things, you know. For example, if the other connects, in this case my vagina T, I disconnect specifically, it is possible. Make this computer go offline. In this case you disconnected it. In this moment an error would come out specifically. What am I going to tell you when it happens? When it happens, I'm going to show it to you. What is this error right now? Would ask me to connect to be no. And then in this case, as it is the same account, I do not get any confirmation. But it would come out, do you want this to connect computer? Then at the time, if it were like this, this icon would appear. Would squeezes once, would squeezes another time, and this would disappear and it would come out. The error of 6023 6024 per error connection you could not, and it does not matter. Times you try, it won't work. No, it works for me now. No, and I don't have no VPN because it doesn't happen to me, but I didn't have any friends who was available right now, so I'm going to do it even if I don't have the error. I know it will work for you, you know. Then this moment it would not work correctly. That annoying red would come out as an error. That there would be that problem. Then now I'm going to disconnect it. Not then. Okay, this first part we already have it. Okay, then I'm going to show you VPN ES. Free. You can also VPN is from I pay, like, for example, I know North VPN. Many VPN is paid, which is very good. But I know that there are some of you who you are quite tight on money and they are VPN. I hope not that you connect to a country or to your own country to another computer, and then either you take the VPN that is the best available computer is more accessible, and then that error will be. I would remove in this case. Look, for example, if we're going to turbo blow on the SUS, options will be curve or VPN and turbo VPN. And I concretely see if it doesn't work. Penis turbo, are you going to urban VPN or vice versa? If urban 9 Perez doesn't work, are you going to turbo? The operation is almost the same. There is almost no problem. I now in this case I will try. Well, now that you mention it, urban 9 PM maybe to try or good probable turbo. Okay. Concretely you see is or is the operation is the same. You press a button specifically and that's it. It's super easy. I also tell you that if you have here capable pages, use extensions of your browser to use VPN is free. I don't use it, it's for the patch. It will go pretty bad, pretty slow, but the turbo and peri-urban depends on how it is. An application will go much faster. Know if the extension simply it will serve so that if they are able from in some residence somewhere one page, then you can access another. Changes ever happened to me and it's a madness. I used Haining proxy. That now they have removed it, but now more solutions. I will pass you a tutorial of Chrome which is pretty good in the description that pretty much explains this. Well, look, this is Turbo VPN, then is also this Urban VPN. All this is, I'll leave it on. The description you see is enough. Simple and pretty good. Look here. The only premium VPN puts you free. No, because it is quite good. Two are fine. If one leaves us, it works for us, then use the other. In theory, one of the two must work. It is also true that there are times when use the updated operating system and the patch you have updated, and you must update it power if it will not work. Errors the same, then have the system super updated operation of everything. Have it on Windows 10 and the parse to have it concretely updated 100% in both computers. Then let's go to the free download. Okay, you see is very simple, that is, it is much more enough easy to install on both. Concretely worth good, or else I will use. If you want, I'll show you how Urban VPN works specifically in Turbo VPN. If you want, I'll show you in another tutorial, but it is very simple. That is, the interface is almost the same, or rather, well, the truth, well, yes, no. So I teach it quickly. Here it should be Windows, or that is quite simple, that is, there is no problem to my connection is not super good concretely, but it goes more go ahead, so start having good connection. But well, now it's just wait, and you know it's perfect because we already have both downloaded. Then let's start with Urban VPN, for example. To try, we will install us. It's worth it. Can happen that there is times the connection can decrease a bit, but I already tell you that you have connect eyes on a computer that is quite close to actually using the computer with the best connection. You will do quite well. The truth or not, you have no problem. The same can decrease a tad, or sometimes it can increase if, for example, there is the computer between the two computers, or if, for example, you connect, you are from Spain and you connect. For example, what do I know? For example, you connect with someone from Egypt and the VPN has higher connection, and you connect to a VPN from Italy equal, or you go faster, maybe you know enough. Okay, then check out Urban VPN Lounge. It's like that Yaiza Lounge. You can also access from here, you know, if you put by example here Urban VPN. I think I also think not from here. If it's not from here, look. So if you have a problem, if you have problems doing it, if you haven't, could you do it this way? You can press here you can access, and look, is this Urban VP is enough simple, and here you get enough connections. What I don't like is that it doesn't put the recommended, that's the problem, but quite simple. This can also serve for IP bands or sites. They escape the connection because these connect to an IP of a place and access to a connection that they leave us for. Example, look, let's go to yoOS. I recommend that you use one that is close. For example, I do not know. I usually connect to Spain, but for example I could connect what I know by example Italy, that is more or less close, because you see here then it is connecting, then there would simply be to wait basically a little bit. No. 2. Then you will get a sound that is connecting. Look, now it's out, and then here you comes out as a kind of counter end. So now you would be in Italy, no OS. I'm going to show that now I was in Italy, but if I really would be in Italy, if you put in a Google check, the IPS would be in Italian. So now, just as you can already check, I would have the IP right now, yes. Which would work then if I give connect for example to, and now my computer did not have this error or had this error for example today. I'll look at this, no problem, that's all. What happens is that there are times that you have to close, you have to close, for example put what I know. For example put must separate, sometimes spends activities close and open, in this case but no problem, close. Reload, then no problem. On this case it says there are no computers. Just like the internet. Specifically that there is no good connection. The same is something that has been caught. But hey, if you get this error, concretely basically give it here. The patch that you then return to the clock. From AR you put Parsec specifically. That's it, not much more things. Then let's give mark SEC. Let's see what it does. Save dink. But well, now it seems that the urban VPN doesn't work because my collection is a little worse, but good if you see that one does not work. That sometimes can happen, sometimes not. The urban can work, but if in the case if it didn't work, no problem can happen. It may work for you, but if it doesn't work, there really isn't problem really, or more. Here is tall, and you give kit the this is now. After that then you can give the turbo VPN, but well, now it seems not. It has worked, but really yes, that it works, in front that my connection now it's malicious, that is, it has about 10 megabits per second. The connection is not has put connected in another part of me house that decreases the connection to see in brief to buy me a TP link to see if that goes better. I think it is much better, but good if you give it here to turbo VPN, then this is usually better, because this one has a case. It is not that you choose the country directly, but tells you the optimal location, then that goes much better, the turbo. But if not works vital urban, for example, now you go here for example, then it exposes the location that goes faster right now, could to be anywhere in the world. If you want to see where in the world are you, example for example, if you want to see it, the Loquendo that have been put here, and you put my IP for example, and what do I know, for example, now the connection can be worse, little worse, but why? But is that because my connection is much worse? But now it makes me, it's from German and it's really from Spain. Then it's a bit like that. Then I will close this then, and now yes, that the connection with, it seems that it would enter, it seems that we are going to see. Let's fix AR. This. Music. Let's connect. You can get out this error a little bit, but Well, now it has been connected. You see, would really connect if sometimes. It may take a little longer, but it really works. Then there it would come out now. Connected, you know when you get this. Minutes and the bunny, and it's already tight. Well, perfect for this case. Concrete would work for me, you know. It goes quite well. The Turbo VPN puts the optimum location faster then. It's pretty good, you can too catch them. And Concrete Pepsi, this is the version. Free, then there are not so many, but look. For example, now you are connected, but for example, if I connect, for example, a smart is, for example, already specifically. And let's see. Oops. Wow. Oh, what has hung up on me? But now, yes. Who has dated rare species in the another computer that is a little more slow? So now, yes, now the other one is there. Computer, as you can see, and on the host. The truth is going quite well. I go here in the web, and here I could play with the games, and quite well the truth. That is, it would be quite good from the two ways then think that I follow. Thus having the IP of German to German. And not specifically, if you realize. You know it will be very here I go, here I put. You know my IP. Specifically, be careful if you remove the IP specifically, if you remove the IP. It's my P for Germania, but now imagine. For example, that you deactivate this. Then it wouldn't work there anymore, it would come out. The error, you know why you would have another IP. Not really connecting with German, and then what you could do to remove it, maybe this end. What you can do is this remove end. You see that is, this can also serve to watch Netflix, for example. See something that came out of Netflix somewhere now, as I have removed it. As you can see, for example, if you put my IP, for example, now it will be Spain specifically. As you can see, my P is now from Spain, you know, is this also for topics that have able the connection or these things goes quite well, for example, of a residence or whatever, and they escape the connection, then you access another service they would leave us with residence firewall, for example, or for example, if you have something covered in firewall, well, too, if you want to access a service that in your country do not leave, then also then it's a bit that, well, that's all YouTube will be taught. That what a pity he did not have. I specifically made the mistake, but I know that yes, you do this 100% with the other dude. Remember, if only one has the error, only that person should do that, the VPN. But if you both have the same mistake, you know, with anyone else, you will have to connect them ex VPN both. For example, imagine if, for example, music, you play with other friends and you don't get it of error, that means I had the mistake, you don't have it, you usually know. But if you then play with that friend and that friend always happens that error, that it means that this friend is the one have to use the VPN instead. If you don't get that error, you don't have for what to do keys, and plan that if you want to do it for safety too. You know, if you are not sure because sometimes you happens or something like that, then you both do it. Then there, in this case, yes, it will work. I hope you find the video useful. A pity that the friend did not have specifically to do it, but it has worked in 6 computers that I have tried with different people from different parts of the world. In Latin America and here in Ibiza, where I live so pretty well. So well, that's all, YouTubers, and see you